Yeah, my beautiful people, DJ SWICKED vlogs out here. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fresh on the ski, my people. Yeah, man, you know we always here to do the right. Is it? Right now, me da the old post office here, Castle Old Post Office, you see me? Yeah, man, so you don't know this is a vibes, my people. Yeah, man, so you don't know. I feel just take a little shelter because the rain there go a little way, you know? Yeah, man, so do remember, people, like up the video, share up the video same way. Please remember to leave a comment, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, tell a friend. Circle over. DJ SWICKED vlogs out here. Yeah, man, and we are deal with it real and proper. You see me? I keep it real and proper, said speed. You see me? Yeah, man. So, big up on yourself. Continue to do your right thing. Watch all of the video them. Yeah, man. And just continue to share them with your friends and family. See them here. Yeah, man. Share them on all social media platforms. See them. Okay? I don't know we always out here to do the right. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Blessings. Yeah, man, and this man we have little rain and little sun. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, man. I don't know, it's a great vibes. Yeah, man, DJ SWICKED vlogs always here to keep you updated with what go on at the place, you know what I mean? Yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah, you can see says a overcast or whatever they want to call it. You see me, little overhead showers coming. Yeah, man, but you know that's a vibe, see me, my people, out here. Yeah, man, we have to keep on update on what's going on at the place. That's what me I deal with. Yeah, man. So just go and enjoy the nice view here in the morning, my people. Yeah, man, DJ SWICKED vlogs out here, you know what I mean? Yes, my people. Don't know here, Castle community. Little rainfall, little sunshine, that is it. Yeah, man, so you know them little showers and not stay for too long. Yeah, man. So take time to cool down, you know, cause me say, little sun, little showers are blessing. Yeah, man, Jah bless up the soil in the morning, is it? Yeah, man, out on the road, there's still people. Main road settings. I mean, I say, but you know what, take me to take out my camera and video while I go on. Yeah, man, so a little sun. And little rain, the rain gone but you know, so that is it. If you keep on posting and what's going on, look on the sky this morning, people. Yeah, man, nice vibes out here. But today is kind of a little bleak, you know. Yeah, man, I was out here, me and baby mother, my little princess, I touch out on the road, you know. Yeah, man, so we are trying to catch every little thing go on, you know. Yeah, man, all like little happenings them. Cause right now, the sun come out back ripe again. I mean, just tell them say place look bleak, right? Yeah, man, the sun come out hot again, peeps. Take a view. I don't know if you can see how the place look warm up, heat up. You can see all the sun now. Yeah, sun again warm up. The place are warm up again, people. Yeah, man, so you don't know that's a vibe, my people. Yeah, man, unpredictable, you can't predict God. Work, you see me? Show you when the master work different, powerful. You see me? Yeah, man, so we out here, my people. See if we can get one taxi one night time if we go up on the road, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Wifey did you look tired like myself, yeah? You know? Love you, boo boo. Yeah, one night time I have to put a ring on your finger, yeah? Yeah, smile. I take me feel like that. Wee. Sure, hey, my people, I love you, you see? Yeah, man, don't know, it's a joy if you have to watch my vlogs, man. You see me? Yeah, man, I interact with me, see me, it's a vibe, my people. Yeah, man, here Castle community, you know? Holy Parky Pantry, the people. Yeah, man, Holy Parky Pantry and them something. Yeah, man, so don't worry about it, man, you're out here, active, people. Yeah, man, you know, a little princess now left daddy a inch, you know. Now left daddy a inch, actually. Yeah, man, daddy girl. Right now, me say me hot and a bun up. Me say, me don't know the place was at. So, me remember if I through the rain just finish fall, and then we get a little sun after. But me I tell you, look how me I sweat people. Jesus Christ. Burn up! Out the road I be there, imagine which part cool, fresh breeze here blow. Yeah, out here. Hot a burn up, man. Craven girl, you couldn't wait till you go up on the road and drink it.
Huh?
Hmm?
Huh?
You stay bad, so you love your belly like your daddy. Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. Remember, see you there on the camera and a girl. Yeah. Yo, me say me can't believe me wet. Look, Jesus Christ, Willie. I have to go down little. Me say that a wet, man. That a wet. You don't see it? Yeah, people, me I tell you, the sun out. As you can see, I'm a burn up, burn up, burn up. Me I tell you, imagine if me in the sun. And the one building me down my feet, so just imagine if me in the sun, people. Yeah, man. But we out here, man, we active. Active, you see me? Although right now my feet sweaty and all of that, but active outside, man. Active. Breadfruit tree there and all of them stuff there, you know? One East Indian mango there, but it don't have one mango right now, people. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't know. Out here I go and take time show no little how I go on at the place. Yeah, man. Normal pre. Yeah, can't see the rain there fall for sure, you see it? A leap of water upon the road and then something. You have to make you see what I go on. You see me? Up to the time, you know? Yeah, are you alone I call your father B? Eh? You call your father B, come. Your father ugly, sir? People don't know what he parking over upon the side. Yeah, man. The sky look kind of bleak here away, but me I tell you, warmness of the sun, yo, was a different thing, me I tell you, yo. Yeah, man. Tell you, watch how the sky pretty and look over in one corner and then look over that side, you know. Dark. See, don't know. People, out here. Yeah, man, out here, man. Gonna look at the sky view, you know. Yeah, man, sky view settings. Sky view. See how Jamaica pretty. Rest in the sky there, look at cheese and Jamaica. Cloud look different. Guys, comment and let me know if I saw the cloud looking at phone part island phone there right now. Yeah, man, let me know how the cloud look. You know the thing. Yeah, man, Jamaica alone. I've been kind of looking cloud there. Blessed island, you know. Yeah, man. Have some blessed people too, but no far we don't know our talent, you know. I don't know what we give. People me say, if me all here blaze up all the weed, I know would surely get knocked by this hour, you know. You know, believe. Me say, lucky son, me and mom up on the road, so me not blaze on weed. Yo, me I tell you, say, look there, people. You see, he must set up himself. If they ever see me here, you know, man, I'm born forget a bite by my nose, you know. I said, they hurt deadly, you know. Right, to nose, they attack every time, you know.
Take it out.
So they want to fix themselves and fix themselves, people. Yeah, man. Good old wash them, you know. Yeah, people, you can see so the place look a little bleak. You see me? So you know what's going on, what time it is. Yeah, man. Look like we are getting little more shower rain again, my people. Yeah, man, you know what the thing go? Yeah, man, St. Thomas here, Castle. Yeah, outside. Yeah, man, normal pre, man. I'm a little daughter and wife there. Yeah, man, they are about to touch out on the road, you see me? Yeah, man, so you know it's a normal people. Yeah, man, the pow them that have blazed through, you know. Yeah. If I even the vehicle we have to catch it and one you could have deal. Yeah, man, that's beside the whole post office today, you see me? Yeah, man. Whole post office this. Here Castle post office, you know. Yeah, man. Really poor. Say hi to the nice, beautiful viewers. Oh, you want me to turn the screen? Oh. Right. Say hi. Oh. Good morning. Yeah, my people, you don't know. You don't know a little princess kind of afraid to talk more, right? But yeah, man, she a grow and she a go and do a little thing. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a vibes out here, guys. Boo, you know, say something to the people.
Hi guys.
Boo shy, you don't know the thing go, people. Boo shy, you see me? But yeah, she done a yellow up and blessing up, see me, so don't worry about it, you see me? Yeah, man, we active out here. Pure rain, peeps, pure rain. Only heap of water more than flour. Yeah, people. Yeah, one day I want to tell you, say, in the early hour and a be a little warm miss and now be a rain, we have to just accept what we get, you see me? Weather in the place. Whole heap of rain in the place, people. I have to lock in and bust a video here. If I can't see up now, tree top there. All tree them are blue and like going wicked. Rain, people. Whole heap of water upon the land. Whole heap of rain at the east, people. Whole heap of rain, whole heap of rain. My beautiful subscribers, whole heap of rain at the place. Summer now, and I tell you, it feel like a winter coming. Trouble! I tell you about it. Whole heap of water, my people. Water in the place. Normal pre. Take time and easy down here now. So we'll see him come hard again. Right now, a little overcast I come over in the evening. Yeah. People, me think the rain they done. But like it all go on with a piece of thing in the night. Yeah. Yeah, man, as you can see, I have a little piece of blue sky over there, so see them, you know. Yeah, man, I have a next little piece there, so, but it a carry over and little showers of blessing, you see what I say? Yeah, man, but we have to give God thanks, see me, because, yeah, man, all man like me who are a farmer, you know, want anything, you know, me appreciate a little showers of blessing, you see me, you see me? Yeah, man. I know if you can't hear it, a drop on the leaf, them, but, yeah, man, take time, a juju, you know? Yeah, man. You know, we never scared when you hear about rain, you know, man. I see like sky a black out because when you love Almighty God, you have to love when you do down. Yes, man. So you don't know a joy and happiness. Yeah, man. Brown Boss vlogs that. You don't know. Just stop and I give him a one check. You see, pray. Yeah, man. So you don't know the thing. We have to link up no matter what. You see me? I shot my forward to you and say, yo, me I give them a one link and see all the rain and all the dew and sitting. And just take out the camera and say, vlogging right away. Because I'm ramping up. Yeah, man. You don't know the thing go here Castle community. AC to the fullest. Yeah man. Big almond tree that it is and then cut down that. You don't know the thing go. Yeah man, but we out here man. The rain fall fully, but that take time a drizzle, you know? Yeah man, but we out here. Beautiful people them. You see me? Yes man. No joke.